Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while. I'm gonna go over my weekly recap trades. And yeah, I'm gonna go through this quickly. I've already recorded this video once and I realized there wasn't any audio, so I was kind of pissed off. But yeah, so we're gonna, by the way, anything shown in this video, if you guys want to learn it, just comment anything in the comments there, and just let me know, because I am teaching people currently strategies, like not strategies, but I'm teaching people this strategy currently. I have two people that I'm teaching, and yeah, I am not charging at all. It's completely free. I'm gonna upload YouTube videos and stuff, and yeah, if you guys want to figure it out, it's like an 80-90% win rate. That's what my mentor showed me at the time. He had a 93% win rate. So yeah, I'll go through this, and then yeah. So real quick, we'll start off. Okay, for this trade of the day, we were looking for displacement, right? Now we had a displacement up here. You don't want to use this big one because this big one is like it's a news candle. It's a news opening candle, whatever. You don't want to use that. So displacement right here, left behind fair value gap. Okay. We tapped into that over here. Right over there, we had a little liquidity sweep. You don't want to enter directly off that. You want to wait for a 1 minute retest. So we have a 1 minute retest into another displacement right here, left behind fair value gap. Now you come back down. Okay, you tap into it. Boom, that's your entry. I got an aggressive entry. Okay, this was for today's trade. I made 900 and something dollars. Okay. This was a 3 micro trade. I took TP1 right about over here, TP2 and TP3 hit all the way down here, or just the 3 contracts hit down there. Like I said guys, I'm going through this video very quickly. I've already recorded this video one time was more than enough, and yeah, so right over here we'll start off for our, no, this is Wednesday. I skipped my Thursday trade, oopsie. Yeah, you can barely see it. So it's right over here. So this one was a little bit more like scalp type shit, but you gotta like know your market conditions, right? So I kind of knew that we were gonna retest back down to here, and like look, today was kind of choppy. Like that day was mainly choppy, right? We didn't have too many big moves other than this long and this short. So yeah. But look, my main objective for this day was I want to see this 10 a.m. high get swept. It didn't end up happening, and we didn't end up sweeping our London lows either until, what, I think today. No, not even today. We didn't even get that low. But we didn't sweep our London lows that day either, so it's kind of surprising to me. We swept out our Asia highs, which is why I started looking. I looked for a short at first, guys. I couldn't find one, so then I looked for a retest on Wednesday or on Thursday for a long to like the zone there, so the liquidity. So what happened here was displacement right here, 5 minute, right? Liquidity sweep right there. You have also a unicorn right there. You could have used that. I didn't use that. I just went off liquidity, displacement. That's it. Then you look for 1 minute, and hold up, wait. Here it is. 1 minute retest for value gap, displacement, yeah, whatever, yada yada yada. Okay, and then your entry right here, set it to that 1 minute highs, and then that's your trade. That one was about $200. I went in with 2 contracts on that one, so not so much, not so big. And then these ones were, I had 1 loss in between this. I took a long over here. I expected it to retest higher. I don't usually scalp like this, by the way, guys. I limit myself to 3 trades a day. This day I ended up taking 2, or no, I ended up taking all 3. Usually I'll take 1 because usually it's a win. Typically I don't take more than 3. And if I have 2 losers, I won't even bother taking the third. I'll just say whatever. It's a lost day. This week I was fortunate to go all green the entire week. I had 1 losing trade and it was right here, but we made back the winners for it off of this one and this one. This one I made 300. This one I made 300, 600 total. That was a perfect trading day. So we'll go off of this. So this one over here, guys, as you guys can see, there's a little fair value gap here, but it's not on the 5 minute. It's on the 15, right? So if you go on the 5 minute, okay, you guys won't even be able to like know why I entered, right? because we never even tapped down here. We tapped over here, right? So it wouldn't count. But we entered off 15 minute, okay, and then I'm not gonna go through ES because I don't mark anything on ES. I just look for SMTs. But on ES, guys, there was an SMT at this point. We had a lower low and we swept that liquidity over there, which is why we took this long. We took it before market opened, and we wanted us to hit this zone because there was also Asia highs right here, which we wanted to sweep. So that's exactly what we wanted for us to go short, and that's why I entered over here. I had my entry up here, but I waited for I missed the entry. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I missed the entry completely. Because I wasn't at the desk at the moment. But anyways, so this trade hit, okay, and we entered off 15-minute displacement, right? You're expecting it to go long, and then you want to target your Asia highs after London lows just got swept. So that's kind of what you want to do. So I did that, and then afterwards for our shorts, okay, we tapped 15-minute right there, right? Displacement candle, or displacement fair value gap, okay? And over here, guys, I just don't feel like finding it, but actually no, why not? It's a recap, whatever. I really don't care. Look, fair value gap tested right over here, okay? We also had a look real quick. I'll show you guys. So we had our fair value gap tested, and then also on the 5-minute there was a fair value gap. I should have showed you that, but anyways, fair value gap that we tapped into it, and then we took it off the re-entry. Our main entry would have been, look guys, if we would have taken it from the very top, right? Our main entry would have been right over here, off of the tap, or off this candle. It really doesn't matter, but our main entry would have been right over here. So it would have been a little bit better, but, and then RTP would have been right there instead of 317. I mean, yeah, you get 60 ticks more. It's not really that big of a difference, honestly. But yeah, we took that, and then our loss, I'll show you right here. Our loss, guys. I know it's kind of funny that I'm saying this now, because after hearing myself now, it kind of sounds really stupid. Because I said we took out Asia highs, right? And typically when you take out Asia highs, you want to flush. And I didn't think about that at the time. I thought we would go a little bit higher. Now, this is exactly what happened. We ended up taking out Asia highs. We went lower, took out New York lows, right? And then we went higher up and took out even higher highs of Asia, right? I'm pretty sure we took out this. Dude, that's the day before. That's PM session. That's New York highs. So we took out all of that. So yeah, that was Wednesday too. Okay, perfect. So we have one more trading day. Wait, no, that was Wednesday. I don't remember. Did I take one Tuesday? I took one every single day this week. Actually, what am I saying? Unless I did. Hold on, did I? Huh. I didn't take a trade Tuesday, guys. Alright. Oh, yeah, that's true. We didn't. Wait, no. No, we didn't take a trade Tuesday. That's true. Okay. Tuesday, guys, was a CSGO day, guys. I was grinding that shit all day. CS2, Brody. That shit's fun. Okay. So, I'll explain this to you guys, just so then I don't have to mark stuff out. There was an hourly fair value gap right over here. Okay. Now, as well, this swept the hourly liquidity right over here for this. Okay. We ended up retracing off of that, and there was an hour displacement candle. Not displacement candle, an hour displacement for value gap that was left behind, which was the hour for value gap, right? Now, our entry, we went on to the 15-minute to look out for some other stuff, like, what's it called? Fuck. Wait. No, this is, I did take a trade Tuesday. What am I saying? I just deleted it. This was literally my entry, guys. I had it in the other recording, but I guess I deleted it. I said it right. above that TP. Yeah, because I was like, why does this look familiar? I wouldn't chart out something that wasn't like, that didn't happen. So, like, look. I don't remember what my TP was though. This day was the day that it just plummeted down. I don't know, guys. We'll just, okay, you know what? For now, guys, because I remember taking this trade, but I don't remember exactly where I put my TP, so we'll just take that off for now. But anyways, we'll go to our Monday, just to get this out of the way, and then we'll just call it a video from there, because I'm already yapping too much. So, for this, we had our 1 minute entry, like I said, off of the 1 hour fair value gap, with the liquidity sweep, okay? And now you go on to the 1 minute, 5 minute, look for a displacement, anything like that, right? You had a displacement on the 5 minute, fair value gap was all the way up here somewhere, right? And I'm looking on the 1 minute now. We ended up tapping into the 5 minute one before. Like, look, this candle literally tapped into it. And then the 1 minute candle, what you want to do is look for a 1 minute displacement candle, anything like that, a 1 minute retest, anything, right? So that's exactly what happened. We got a retest into this fair value gap. I entered with an aggressive entry and I set my TP on the 5 minute fair value gap on top. Okay. And then I entered from there and I targeted that fair value gap right over there. Yep, that's the trade. This week we banked, maybe like $1,200 total. More or less. No, actually probably more than that, because just today alone we banked $900. It was like high 900s. It was like 988 or 9, something like that. But look, just today we banked. This was 300, 300. That's 600. Already more than 1,200, dude. And then this one was fucking. That was like 200. Let's say at the end of the week we were probably at like fucking 1,012. Not 1,012. 1,007. I have to check my top step, but it doesn't update right away. So, if you guys want, I'll post the video or the proof. Hold on, what's this? I'll post the what's it called? The amount that we made. I'll post that on my TikTok. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see the strategy in a full video, like I'll be teaching people more in depth, and we'll just go over all of that. But if you guys want to learn the strategy, 90% win rate, around 80-90% win rate, let me know in the comments and I will gladly make a video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, please like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.